Hello everyone, if you're trying to download Fortnite and you keep getting this error, install failed with error code MD-DL-404, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite or Epic Games launcher easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare Warp on here, and then you're going to go onto this link from developers.cloudflare.com. You're going to click download latest stable release under Windows, and then you're going to go ahead and download this Cloudflare Warp software app. And once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it. And after installing it, you're going to open Cloudflare Warp up, but don't connect it yet. Now you're going to close Epic Games Launcher on your computer. You can also open up your task manager, search for Epic Games on here. If it is running, then you're just going to click on it and click End Task. And after that, you're going to open Cloudflare Warp up. You're going to go to the settings icon. You're going to select 1.1.1.1 with Warp, and then you're going to connect Cloudflare Warp. And then you're going to open up your Epic Games Launcher. Here, you're going to go into your library, and then you're just going to click download on your game, and you'll see that your game will download correctly. You will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.